Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So if you can see, try again later. We'll limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram, like following people, to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happened because you just make too much actions at one time. So maybe you just follow too much or like too much people. So you just need to know that it's temporary block, so you just need to wait some time. It depends on situation, but sometimes it takes few hours, sometimes few days. Also, after some time Instagram will automatically unblock these actions for you, and you can follow again or like again. So also you need to wait. But another thing you can try to use another device. So just try to log in into your account from another device, and also you can try to change your network. So just go to the settings, and if you receive the server when you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data, and if you receive the server on mobile data, just try to use Wi-Fi. Also, if you have another Wi-Fi network, just try to connect to another Wi-Fi network and just log in into your account again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.